What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Only the Good Things. And I got a question for you. Do you love garlic? If you answered yes, stick around.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you.
Today, we're doing garlic 4 ways. So let's start off with what you need. Your garlic, of course. So I came up with this video because I had so much garlic. If you've ever been to Costco, they sell this peeled garlic, but it comes in over a kilogram bag as seen here. And your blender, you're going to need plenty of airtight jars. Mason jars work great. Good quality canola and olive oil or vegetable oil. Ice cube tray and butter. So just go on ahead and add in your garlic to your blender or food processor. Turn that bad boy on. And very important, you're going to pulse it. Do not blend it or else you're going to create a garlic paste, and that is not what we're going for today. You want a fine mince. Make sure the garlic is distributed evenly and just go for it.
Darling, you send me, darling, you send me,
Because we are dealing with so much garlic, it will get caught up in your blender and bunch up. So just to ensure that all your pieces are evenly minced, give it a good mix every now and then. And keep doing your thing. You're doing great.
send me, I know you send me, honest to do, send me, honest to do.
So our first way we're going to prepare our garlic is in a form of garlic oil. So you're going to go ahead and get your handy jars and put a good amount of garlic in each of your jars. For my garlic and oil, I ended up filling 2 mason jars.
I know you send me, I know you do, send me.
Using some canola oil, you can also substitute that for vegetable oil and it will work just fine. What is really important is that you want to completely cover your garlic. You want to make sure none of your garlic is exposed to prevent oxidation, and this will allow your garlic to stay fresh for longer. So on the more conservative side, this will be great in your fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. But if you're like me and you take a little risk, up to 4 weeks will be fine. Just make sure that no air is hitting the garlic and you'll be good. And voila! There you go, your garlic and oil. So our second way is fresh minced garlic. So here I'm just taking some paper towel, folding it so it will fit well in my airtight container. Just lining the bottom so that it will absorb any excess moisture from my garlic, and this will help keep my garlic for longer. So this version of our garlic can last in the fridge for about a week, week and a half if you want to be a little risque like me. And voila! So our third way is going to be frozen garlic and extra virgin olive oil. So here you're going to take that ice cube tray and fill it with garlic to your liking. This is heavily garlic. but I love garlic. And you're gonna fill it up with, you know, some good quality extra virgin olive oil. And again, you just want to ensure that all the garlic is being submerged by the oil to prevent oxidation, which preserves your final product longer. And voila! And our fourth and final way is frozen garlic butter. Delicious. So again, take your handy dandy ice cube tray, and here I just melted down a good amount of butter. And just like the oil, you're gonna fill it so that the garlic is completely submerged. And bam! Garlic butter, ready for you whenever you need it. And there you have it, guys. Preparing garlic in 4 different ways so that you can preserve it for longer. So this was my solution to loving shopping at Costco but not having a Costco size family. All you're going to do is pop those ice cube trays that you've made into the freezer, and I'll insert a clip of what the final product looks like. Bam! All these garlic recipes that we made together come so useful in like all of my cooking. Here I just popped in one of those garlic butter cubes to make some veggies. Perfect. Alright guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Drop a comment below to let me know if you like cooking tutorials and if there's anything else you'd like to learn how to make. Bye guys.